Hi guys, Mark here, Celtic Crossbows. We're going to start off this week with an unboxing, which I'm going to get onto now, onto the old chopping board. And in the meantime, get yourself on over to Steambow. They've got some cracking Black Friday deals going at the moment. You can have the old style Steambow Stinger V2 or S2 with the K2 survival knife for as little as £350 at the moment. You don't get none of the extras, but you do get the cracking K2 knife. But if you want to go all in for £750, you can get it with the updated frame, chassis, quick remove limbs, tuning trigger, stock pivot, the lot for £750, I believe. So get yourself on over to Steambow and have a look. They got some cracking deals going on. Don't take my word for it, there's as much as 50% off some of the products from Steambow. So have a good look and tell them I sent you. In the meantime now, let's get on to this unboxing. A bit of a cheaty cheat sheet this unboxing, because I already know what's in here. But a bit of a clue, there's me on the lid, Mark Hacker. Lovely bit of Chinese on there. And let's get inside straight away. Let's open her up. The unmistakable rattle of bolts. Fabulous, and here we are. First pack of bolts. Now in stock, these are my excellent VAGER bolts. These are the first 250 in this order. Fantastic. Now this order now, these are all standard shaft. These aren't the heavyweights. So these are the 250 standards. Sorry, 140 grain standard bolts. First pack of these is already gone. Already ordered. Here we are. And we shall test them now in the Steambow magazine to make sure everything's working fine. Okay guys, so we got our bolts. We got to test our stripper. Just take your bolts, any bolts random. Make sure when you put the flights in, they go all the way to the back of your stripper. Feed them in nice. Okay, so we're going to test them in the magazine now. The holder, make sure they lock it in nice. At the same time as well, this is a good time to use your thumb to line up your bolts in your magazine. Okay, now what we're going to do is now go on to test in that the stripper is working fine with these. Put them in those first. A little bit tight with the new magazine. Press your button, lock it in first, and strip away. Out she comes, and the magazine now fully loaded and ready to rock and roll with your new VAGER bolts. Okay, let's just check on the scales, make sure they're all to where I want them. Here you are, the standard 150 grain. And the weighted 294.8 grain, so near as damn it 300 grain. Double the weight of the standard bolts. So we got the 300 grain, these are roughly £36 plus postage. We got the standard 150 grain, and these are £28. So I'll look now, fit them into the magazine to show they work fine. Okay guys, for those of you who know me, know my channel, I usually sell my VAGER bolts over on eBay for £28.99 plus postage, because eBay charge 20%, which gives you roughly £33 per set including postage. But I'm going to do a Christmas special. For those of you who know me, at the moment I'm going to let you buy these for £24.99 plus postage for a set of 5, or £50 including postage, which is roughly £45 for a pack of 10. And for every extra pack of 10 you buy, so if you have 2 packs, that'll be 90 quid including postage. If you buy 3, it'll be 140 quid including postage. If you buy 4, it'll be 160 quid including postage. So I'll look at the description below and look at the links, because I've got 1,000 of these just in stock, and let's get moving for Christmas. If not, over on eBay, and you have to pay a premium because eBay charges me a premium, and therefore I pass the cost on to you. So if you're interested, PayPal links will be below. You can purchase direct from PayPal. Okay? Thanks and bye bye.